Cool. Lots of padding. This was shipped down from our site in Connecticut. There's wrap on the piping. It's pretty nice. Comes with this is a stainless steel barbed nipple. This is for your vacuum reference. This is where you put your bracket for the boost solenoid. This we added in for your map sensor. Cool logo, wrinkled black, nice finish. Next we have the 180 pipes. Looks like my guy unwrapped these previously after they came from powder coating so that he can inspect them, but nice finish on it. Nice welds. Where's the other 180? Here we go. The 180s go on the intercooler. If that's the engine and this is the radiator, they go on the intercooler like this with the longer leg to the back and pointing up. So we're gonna be good there. This is the merge collector. Put a lot of R&D into this thing. We actually made some changes and iterations to the design. You'll notice that these blow-off valve mounts, they actually lean forward slightly towards the radiator. Nice beads all around. We also shortened the legs so you can have more clearance to the filter housing when you put the 90 on the bottom. Nice clean finish there. This we call the zigzag or the Z-pipe. This connects to the bottom of the merge collector after the 90, kind of like this. Cool, so that's it for the piping. And we put so much effort into this that we now have our own couplers. How sexy is that? These couplers have our brand logo on it and the website, so everyone will know where to find us. So there are two of these, and just kind of making some room here. We have a bunch of straights here. They're used at the front of the intercooler. And we have the 90 that goes at the bottom of the merge collector. And we have a 45 that goes on the passenger side after the 180 to the charge pipe. It's off by the charge pipe. We provide you with all of the clamps. These clamps are pretty cool. They are T-bolt clamps. They take a 7/16 socket. I recommend a deep socket for that. But all of those are there. And there should actually be two clamps that are a little smaller, 2.5 inch. These are all 3 inch. The 2.5 inches go on the fat side of the merge collector pipe. So good stuff there. Looks like we have all what we need there. And lastly, we have this big boy. We pride ourselves in working with treadstone. And look at that. There you go. This is where a lot of the magic happens. Happens in the piping too, but this heat exchanger intercooler is what's going to drop those charge temps. You're really going to see the benefit of this when you get the summer month temperatures rising. You're going to, I've had customers report, you know, as much as 20 degrees temperature drop after installing their intercooler. So this stuff works. All right, let's take this to the back of the shop and get it installed.